Welcome viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we shall guide you step by step on how to draw a beautiful cupboard. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, this tutorial is for you. Grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. Begin by sketching the outline of the cupboard's frame using light pencil strokes. Add details like the handles and any decorative elements on the cupboard doors. Next, draw the shelves inside the cupboard, making sure they are evenly spaced. Add depth to the drawing by shading the areas where shadows would fall. Pay attention to perspective to make your drawing look realistic. Use a ruler to ensure straight lines for the cupboard's edges and shelves. Don't worry about mistakes as they can be corrected later. Use reference images if needed to help with proportions and details. Continuously evaluate your drawing as you progress to make necessary adjustments. Use an eraser to clean up and stray lines or smudges. Take your time to enjoy the process of creating art. If you are struggling to enjoy with a particular section, don't embrace yours. Thanks for watching this video.